Boeing F-47, developed under the United States Air Force's Next Generation Air Dominance program, represents a fundamental shift in how future air combat is imagined. Rather than being just another fighter jet, the F-47 is designed as the central node of an entire combat ecosystem, combining cutting-edge stealth, advanced propulsion, artificial intelligence, and seamless coordination with unmanned aircraft. It is intended to replace the aging F-22 Raptor and ensure American air superiority well into the middle of the 21st century. At the core of the F-47 concept is dominance in the most contested airspaces on Earth. Modern battlefields are expected to be saturated with advanced radar systems, long-range missiles, electronic warfare, cyber threats, and space-based sensors. To survive and win in such environments, the F-47 is being engineered with next-generation stealth that goes beyond traditional low-radar observability. Its shape, materials, and coatings are expected to reduce detection not only by radar, but also by infrared sensors and electronic surveillance systems. This multi-spectral stealth allows the aircraft to operate deeper inside enemy territory while remaining extremely difficult to track or target. Powering the F-47 is expected to be a new class of adaptive cycle engines. These engines are designed to intelligently switch between different operating modes, offering high fuel efficiency for long-range missions and extreme thrust when speed and maneuverability are required. This means the aircraft can fly farther without refueling, remain on station longer, and still deliver exceptional performance in combat. The increased electrical power generated by these engines is also critical for running advanced onboard systems, including sensors, electronic warfare equipment, and future directed energy weapons. The cockpit of the F-47 reflects a dramatic evolution in pilot-aircraft interaction. While still crude, the jet is designed to work closely with artificial intelligence that acts as a decision support partner rather than a simple automated system. The AI can rapidly analyze massive amounts of data from onboard sensors, satellites, other aircraft, and ground systems, then present the pilot with clear, prioritized options. This reduces workload and allows the pilot to focus on strategy and mission execution rather than raw data processing. In high-speed combat situations where milliseconds matter, this human-machine teaming could be a decisive advantage. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the F-47 is its role as a quarterback for unmanned aircraft. Under the next-generation air dominance vision, the F-47 will fly alongside multiple collaborative combat aircraft, often described as loyal wingmen. These unmanned systems can perform a wide range of missions, including reconnaissance, electronic warfare, decoy operations, and even direct combat. The F-47 can command and coordinate these drones, extending its reach, multiplying its firepower, and reducing risk to human pilots. If a mission becomes too dangerous, unmanned aircraft can be sent forward while the crew jet remains at a safer distance. Situational awareness is another area where the F-47 is expected to set new standards. Its sensor suite is designed to function as an integrated system rather than separate components. Radar, infrared search and track, electronic intelligence, and passive sensors all work together to create a real-time, high-resolution picture of the battle space. This information is not only used by the aircraft itself but can be securely shared with other friendly forces across air, land, sea, space, and cyber domains. In this way, the F-47 is not just a fighter, but a key node in a fully networked military force. Weapons carried by the F-47 are also expected to reflect future combat needs. In addition to advanced air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, the aircraft is being designed with the flexibility to integrate new weapons systems as they become available. This includes hypersonic weapons capable of striking targets at extreme speeds and ranges, as well as the potential for directed energy weapons such as high-power lasers. These systems could be used for missile defense, disabling enemy sensors, or engaging targets with unprecedented precision. Range and survivability are central to the F-47's mission profile. As potential conflicts shift toward vast regions like the Indo-Pacific, where distances are enormous and bases may be limited or vulnerable, the ability to operate far from home with minimal support becomes critical. The F-47 is expected to have significantly greater range than previous fighters, reducing dependence on aerial refueling and forward bases. Combined with its stealth and electronic warfare capabilities, this allows it to penetrate defended areas, strike key targets, and return safely. From a strategic perspective, the F-47 symbolizes the United States' commitment to maintaining air superiority against peer and near-peer competitors. Rather than relying solely on incremental upgrades to existing aircraft, the NGAD program represents a clean-sheet approach to future warfare. It emphasizes adaptability, rapid technology insertion, and the ability to evolve over time. The F-47 is expected to receive continuous upgrades in software, sensors, and weapons throughout its service life, ensuring it remains effective against emerging threats. The development approach itself is also innovative. Instead of a single static design intended to serve for decades with minimal change, the F-47 is part of a more flexible model that allows for faster development cycles and potential variants. This reduces the risk of technological stagnation and ensures that the aircraft can adapt to changes in the strategic environment, new technologies, and lessons learned from real-world operations. In essence, the Boeing F-47 is more than just a fighter jet. It is a vision of how future air combat will be fought, where information dominance, human-machine teaming, unmanned collaboration, and networked operations are just as important as speed and firepower. When it enters service, the F-47 is expected to redefine air superiority and play a central role in shaping the balance of power in the skies for decades to come.